Welcome to the Nursing Virus YouTube channel. This is me Logunathan and this video regarding the NIMANS examination question paper. We will see all the questions which they asked on the examination in the year of 2021. If you are not subscribed my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll get all my video notification on your device. Let's go and see what are the question and what is the correct answer for each question we'll see. So the first question, how many states and union territories in India? So the correct answer is 28 states and 8 union territories. And second question, so if the baby is born with below 2,500 grams body weight, it is called as low birth weight baby. And third question, National Health Protection Scheme in India, it is known as Ayushman Bharat Yojana. And fourth question, which of the following is correct statement? So they have given some statement related with the psychiatric and asked the correct relation. So here the correct relation is delusion of grandiosity can be seen only in a manic condition mainly. And fifth question, Mangalyaan is a mission sent by India to which place? That is a Mars. And sixth question, if a day for yesterday is Saturday, what is the day of the day after tomorrow? The correct answer is Wednesday. And seventh question, what part of the brain is responsible for alertness? So the correct answer is thalamus. And the next question, the Florence Nightingale worked in which war? They given the four war, that is World War One and Two, and that Crimean War and British War. So the correct answer is Crimean War. So the next question, the pernicious anemia occurred due to the deficiency of lack of vitamin B12, that is a cyanocobalamin. So the 10th question, the best example for the passive immunity, they given the statement and they asked the correct one. The infant received the mother's antibodies through the placenta or the breast milk was the correct answer. And the 11th question related to the ethics. The nurse instructor is teaching the nursing students about the principles of ethics in the healthcare, and she tell them that the utmost important principle of observing while taking care of the patient is doing no harm. They given the answers like an beneficence, justice, non-maleficency, and autonomy. So the correct answer is non-maleficence. And the 12th question, the dopamine neurotransmitter is implicated in which of the following disorder? That is a Parkinson's disorder. And the next 13th, the narcolepsy, that means the daytime drowsiness and the sudden attack of the sleep in the daytime period. The next one, the patient says that on his abdomen some ribbon shaped material is there and he is feeding food for those materials. So that is called as Bisara delusion, which is implausible one, which is not at all possible. That one will call as Bisara delusion. The next one, the job satisfaction is enhanced by, the correct answer is challenging and not overwhelming. And 16th question, the Saturday night palsy occur due to damage of which nerve? The option they given like a radial, ulnar, median and axillary. So the correct answer is radial nerve. So in the 17th one, live attenuated vaccine. The correct answer is for the tuberculosis which will administer PCG. And the next 18th one, the folic acid supplementation is advised by the doctor from which period of time? Throughout the pregnancy, the folic acid will be advised to prevent the neural tube defect. So the next 19th question, the best site to give the IM injection for the children or the infant, that is correct one is vastus lateralis. So if you are giving that gluteal area, the sciatic nerves may used to get damage. And the 20th one, the nurse found any child abuse, mainly sexual abuse, she need to intimate under which act? There is a POCSO Act. So the severe punishment they used to get. The next one, the Indian Nursing Council established in which year? That is on the 1947. 22nd, the treatable cause of dementia is hypothyroidism. They asked Lewy body syndrome, Parkinson's disorder as the other option. And 23, which of the following is not cause of mental retardation? They asked the remaining three options related with the chromosomal abnormalities. That is a Fragile syndrome, trisomy syndrome, and as well Down syndrome are the other option. So the wrong one is fugue. Okay, that is not actual cause of mental retardation. So next one, the largest organ in our body is known as skin. The other option they given like a liver, abdomen, and the large intestine. And the 25th, the part of the brain most involved in coordinating sequence of movement. It is also control the balance and posture is known as cerebellum. So which is mainly control all our coordinated activities. So the next one, reversible antiplatelet agent is known as ticagrelor is the correct answer. So the next one, 27. Which of the following animal not transmit the rabies to human being? So option they given like dog, bats, chicken and fox. So the correct option is chicken. Chicken will not transmit the rabies to the human because it will not have chance to bite the humans. So the 28th, to find the odd one out of the site. So the four options they're given like a sailing, driving, swimming and diving. So here the driving is differ from all the three remaining options. So then 29, the Dilip is not taken alcohol due to the COVID lockdown and developed the symptoms like tremors, hallucination, vomiting and headache. These all symptoms reveals that he is having which of the disorder, so that is called as delirium tremens, that is the withdrawal symptom stage. So the next one, 30, a dementia client is having the repetition of particular response such as words, paras or gesture regardless of absence of or a cessation of stimulus, so that is called as preservation. So 31, the vision can be perceived by the following order. So the correct option is the light will be passed through the cornea and pupil, then to the lens and finally reach the retina. Thereby we'll get the images. And the 32, the woman who had recurrent ectopic pregnancy abortion. The immediate complication is the nurse need to observe hemorrhagic problem. So that is one of the dangerous sign of abortion and for the BPH. And 33, to the woman for assessing that memory, you are stating three object name and asking her to repeat immediately to assess which part of the information. The correct answer is recall. So the further on option they given like to assess the immediate memory and registration and assess the temporary memory. Like that the options are. And the 34, inhaled form of anesthetic agent, that is isoflurane. Next question. So the patient under the treatment of carbamazepine and he developed a painful rash, blistering or peeling of skin, easy bruising, mouth sore or fever. So these symptoms is known as Steven-Johnson syndrome. So the next one, the client having orange color urine during the treatment of tuberculosis, you know that this is due to administration of rifampicin drug. So the next one, in emergency, the client came with a severe head injury and spinal cord fracture. For doing suction in the oral cavity, what is the best maneuver you'll use to practice? So hence the person is having the spinal cord fracture. we will not extend the person head. So just grasp the jaw and lift the jaw forward for opening the mouth. 38. So the most often side effect of concern to the patient receiving ECT treatment is retrograde amnesia. So the next one question they asked, so in the year of 1960, which disorder free from India they asked. So I did not remember the exact options for that question. So there may be option like a small box and chicken box. So the remaining two more option I forgotten. So and the 40th question, which of the following is preventable cause of cancer? The options like given like family history, chromosome, and genetic factor. So the correct one is smoking. So we can prevent this cause. So the next one, which of the following is not the movement disorder? So the option like chorea, tremor, and tic. So these all problems related with the movement disorder. And one more option they given as a wrong one. So the next answer question. For the persistent stimulant to improve the person's behavior in many repeated times, it is called as persistent stimulus. Suppose if they are given as a reinforcement as another option, so that one is the correct one. Then 42, the lithium drug produce long-term complication as nephropathy. And 43, the patient came to the emergency and stated he is hearing the voice of two members talking that they are going to kill him when he is alone at the home. So what type of hallucination it is? So that is a third person auditory hallucination. The next one. So which of the following is not the sleeping disorder? As one question they asked, and the option like given like somnolence and insomnia and sleep wake cycle as another one more option they given. So out of that they given one wrong option. So that one is the correct one. So and 45, an adult patient with a seizure and doctor advised to give the phenytoin. So as a nurse, how will you administer the phenytoin? So the four options like immediate bolus, administer 1 weeks and within 48 hours. So, and the fourth option like intravenous administration should not exceed 50 mg per minute is the correct one. So another question like waste management, they given that four color, that is a white, black and blue and yellow, and they given that different matches to identify the correct one. So in 47, the patient having severe head injury, on CT scan they found that there are too many small conditions in the brain. So, and the client having chronic renal failure. So what is the management can be done? So the option like a steroids, mannitol and 3% of the saline they given. So the mannitol can be used for this patient. So in the 48, the client is having peripheral neuropathy and decreased sensation on the limbs. So which of the following need to be done by the client? So they stated some activity what the client is daily doing. So based on that, which activity need to be noted by the client? So the correct option is before taking the hot water bath, make sure someone to check the water temperature because the person having the decreased sensation. So the next one, 49. So they given selective serotonin reuptake inhibitor and they asked to select which one is not coming under the SSRI. They given the drug name is fluoxamine and acetyloprom and sertraline, and one more drug there which is not coming under the SSRI group. So that one is the correct one. And 50th question, the consent should be obtained from the patient for the reason of So for what reason we are need to get the consent from the psychiatric patient? That was the question. So they given option like to minimize the risk and actual getting the over benefits, and for that liability of the nurse as the two option they given. So from that the correct one is the benefits and as well to minimize the risk. So that one is the correct one. So and 51. So some statement they stated for identifying the delusion. So the one question related to the delusion they asked. So the next one. So the patient coming to the emergency with a severe head injury and shown that symptoms of right side eye dilatation of the pupil, you know that result of which cranial nerve it's indicate that problem. So there is a second cranial nerve, optic nerve. So the next question, they asked one question related with the catatonia sign, except. So the three signs they given related to the catatonia, and one is out of the catatonia they given. So that one is the correct option for this question. So the next one, the question is stated like as the base of all the individual life, it is important for organization, growth and development, and some more statement they stated and included on this 54th question. And option they given like a cell, chromosome, and gene, and one more options was there. And 55, the daily fetal movement count, that is a DFMC, such as kicks, fluttering, and rolls for the normal mother. So the correct option is the 10 movements in a 1 hour is indicated as normal. Suppose if within a 1 hour, if the mother is not getting adequate count, sometimes the baby may used to sleep. So we no need to much bother about that. The next question related to one terminology. The client is having severe motor restlessness and he is inability to sit it still in one place for the longer period, mainly indicate as akathisia. So here they given the further option like tardive dyskinesia and dyskinesia and aphasia, like that the further options they given. So, and one more question related with that degenerative cortical atrophy, and one more question related with that classification of muscle lesions, and one question related with the conversion disorder. So they stated the statement like the person is having the various form of emotional problems, and that is being converted or shown with the form of physical symptoms, like that the question was. So the next question related with that psychiatric related match they done. Okay, like and match the following. Some statement they are stated like the insight not seen, like a not seen on the psychotic conditions. That was the question actually. That was the option actually. And similar to this they given the furthermore options to identify the correct one. So these are the 60 question which I remember about that NIMANS 2021 examination. If furthermore, if you know any questions or if among these 60 questions, any wrong answers you found, you can write it in the comments box. So that can be helpful for other members. And thank you for everyone to joining with me. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.